Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at if statement. This if statement is really very important in JavaScript whenever you are checking any condition. So let's take a look of how we can use it. So let's define a variable here, say variable x equals 7 and variable y equals, say, within string right here 7 and variable z equals 7 again. Well, let's move on for now. Later we will add some other variables if needed. So now we will check that if x equals y or not. So let's check if x equals y, then let me write here, then I will explain. Then document dot write yes x equals y. Now let's save it. Now what do you think the answer will be? Let's take a look. So how we have written the if statement. So first you write the if keyword, then inside bracket check the condition. So I am checking here if x equals y. So first the if keyword, then inside bracket check the condition, and just next inside curly braces write here the operation that will occur when this condition will be true. Again I am telling friend, so first write the if keyword, then check the condition, and then if the condition is true, write here the operation that's going to happen, and that will be placed inside curly braces. So that's it. Now let's hit save. Now what do you think the answer will be? Let's take a look in our browser. Let's open in our browser. Yes, x equals y. So I have told you previously that x equals y, it will check the value. I mean, it is checking that whether the value of x and y are same or not. Now let's place here triple equals. Well, not here. Let's copy it and let's paste here if x triple equals y or not. Let's save it. Now hit refresh. So yes, x, let's write here x triple equals was already there. So x triple equals y, but it will not happen. So this statement will not be executed because when you are checking x triple equals y, it is checking that whether its value is same or not, and along with that it is checking whether the type of these two variables are same or not, which is not, because this is a string variable and this is a number variable. So let's come here and hit refresh. See, this statement didn't execute. For this we will need the else statement. Well, that we will see in our next lecture. Well, so what we will do, let's come here and let's write here if x not equals y, then execute. Let's copy it and paste it here, that no, x doesn't equal y. Let's save it and let's provide a semicolon. Now hit refresh. Well, you can't see anything because it is checking the value. I have told you that x not equals y. It is checking that whether the value of x is not equal to y, but these values are same. But what we need to do in order to check it properly, we need to provide another equal. So this is x not equal y. Now this time it will get executed. Let's save it and come here. See, no, x doesn't equals y. Let me provide here a line break just to make it clear, and x doesn't equal y. Well, I didn't provide the equal string, so let's come here and hit refresh. Yes, no, x doesn't equal y. Let me check that whether in logical operators I have provided this value or not. Well, I have provided this not equals and I didn't provide not equal symbol, so this is also important, and I have to do it for others also. So I will do it. I will not waste your time just by doing it here and recording it. So yep, so this is how you can check the symbol. So here are the comparison operators: equal, triple equals, not equal, greater than, less than equal. Well, let me provide here another variable, that is variable p equals say 10. So now we will check the greater than symbol. So if p greater than x, then execute this statement. Which one? Let's press Ctrl C to copy, and let's paste it here and write here, yes, p is greater than x. Now let's save it, come here, hit refresh. See, yes, p is greater than x because the value of p is 10 and x has a value of 7. Now let's write here whether p is greater than equal to x or not. So it is checking that whether the value of p is greater than x or the value of p is equal x or not. So when you are checking a value, say greater than equals something, it is checking that whether the value is equal to or greater than the variable or not. So what it is checking, that p is 10, so whether 10 is greater than equal to 7 or not, which is yes. See, it's yes. Now let's provide another, say var s equals 10. Now let's copy it and let's paste it, and this time greater than equal s or not. P is greater than equal to x, not x, this time s. So let's change it to s. Now save it and now hit refresh. Yes, p is greater than equal to s. So what it is checking, that whether the value of p is greater than s. It is checking no, it's not. Then again it is checking whether the value of p is equal to s. Then it is checking and it is saying that oh yeah, it is. So this condition is becoming true. So see you in the next lecture, friend. Till then, have fun, take care.